and I just don't like waking up that early, so I'm not going to be trading that early. But if you're somebody that can get up in the morning, it's 100% worth it. It's not just actually Mamba signals, but you also get Luca during Asia session at, I believe, 5:45, and then you get Emmett signals during London session. So you can get a few more trades in if that's something that you're interested in. Yeah, it's $40, so it's definitely worth it for the amount of education you get. Luca's a goat too. So if you guys missed some of Mamba's streams, you can tune in for Asia. You can see that we're not closing below the gap just yet. I got you, brother. It's what we do out here. How many of you guys are trading on funded accounts right now? Let me know in the chat if you guys are trading a funded account. Me? Let's go. Let's go, boys. What account size are you guys all trading on? Trying to pass my funded? Let's pass it, bro. How are you doing on your, in terms of your confidence, in terms of your strategy? Did you win yesterday? It was today. I was there today. Me, I'm currently managing 5. Oh, are you talking about yesterday's stream? Yes, we cooked yesterday. Today's my second day. Second day trading. 25K, 50K, 50K, 100K. Let's go. We got a big account types in here. Mark, do you think it's better to stick with one session and learn it with one mentor, or split between all 3 mentors and sessions in the kingdom? I'd say it really just depends. Obviously, everybody has their own trading style, so try to find what your trading style is. Try to find what your trading style is. That would make it a lot easier for you to decide that. You could obviously learn a lot from everybody at first, but eventually you want to kind of stick to one specific trading style. Swing trading, scalping, ICT, SMC, supply demand, breakout trading, whatever you like best, whatever you understand the most. For me, it was always ICT concepts. Made the most amount of sense to me, and that's why I trade ICT concepts. That's why I trade for Valley Gaps, IFEGs. All right, chat. What should we aim for? What should we aim for? I'd say the immediate rebalance right here. We should aim for 4,719. So 4,719. It's like 4,718.8. Yeah, like somewhere down here. So I'd say something like this. We got a little high right here we could use as our stop loss. All right, get ready, boys. We're about to get confirmation. I'm just going to hop in as soon as we close below this gap. I might even hop in right now. Let's do it. So our stop loss is going to go, let's do 35 ticks. TP at 100. And then we're going to go in with 8 micros. Boom. All right, I hopped in. 25 seconds left. I hopped in. Putting my stop loss above the high. We're in with 8 micros. We're expecting it to break down lower through this IFEG down to these lows and get us a little 4-hour immediate rebalance down here. So this is what our TP is. Right here, full TP, 4-hour immediate rebalance, TP for this trade. All right, boys, who's in with me? Who's in with me? 8 micros. Do you guys see how the 4-hour candle is turning around here? Are you guys watching this? We're running down and turning around. Why are we turning around? Can somebody tell me in the chat why we're running down right now on this 4-hour candle? I said it at the start of the stream. You got 2 150K funded accounts. Bro, you're killing it. 150Ks are huge. WT strategy is the easiest to adapt for a beginner. Do you prefer more funded accounts or move into live after pay? I'd say move into live. But if you don't have enough capital, like if it's not like a few grand that you're gonna toss into your live account, then I'd say stick to funded accounts, stack them up a little bit more, and then when you have like 4 or 5K to toss into the live, go into the live. Yeah, I like the way he trades and explains his trades. Nice, bro. Because we didn't close above the FEG. Exactly, bro. Ray, you got it right. On point. Anybody else? Do you guys understand why? Why? If you don't understand, tell me. I'll let you guys know. I'll explain it right now. We didn't close above this gap. So you guys know we closed below this gap on the 1 minute. That's why we're selling. But we're also selling because on the 4-hour time frame, do you see how we didn't close above it? So this big move up, that was just manipulation. That was the first few minutes of 7 o'clock, 4-hour candle open, manipulation, and the real move is happening now where we're running down from this 4-hour gap. Okay, guys, we're floating about 160. Let's go break even when we get a little bit lower and floating about $200. All right, so let's see. We're about to take out these equal lows down here. This is a good place to take some partials. So let's mark this out. Take partials here. All right, floating about $180, $190. Let's go break even. That was a nice, quick break even trade right there. Boom. All right, I went break even on the setup so far. Just because we were already up $200, that's enough for you to just close in general. So I don't want to risk that profit. That kind of profit is not something I'm messing around with. $240 floating today. $250. Let's go. We're about to close this low. And we're going to take some partials. So everybody, if you guys want to close with me partials, I'm going to close half of this position, which is going to be 4 micros. So you go to trade bar right here on the right side. You click 4, and we're going to buy when it goes and takes out this low. Okay? That's how you close 4 partials, 4 micros. Floating $300, and we're about to take the low. Come on. Boom. We took the low. I'm closing half of the position right there. Perfect. All right. Should have closed partials. Yep. There you go. All right. I think I messed something up for sure. I got to delete this. I don't know what I did, but I messed something up for sure. All right. First profit target hit. That was a very easy trade. You see that this is turning around. We're going to close the rest of the position right here at this 4-hour immediate rebalance. Okay, so we're holding it a little bit longer. Full TP is way down here. We already secured $196. That's what I already closed on the trade. And we're about to hit the 4-hour immediate rebalance. I'm closing full profits when we hit this level. All right, boom. We just hit it. Closing the rest out right there, flat and all. Boom! Easy money. Easy money today. You don't understand, Kiki? All right, let me explain it because today was an easy trade. It banged it out in 17 minutes. 17 minutes, boys. Spam some W's for me because I'm about to do a trade recap for you guys. Alrighty, let me do a trade recap. I'm also going to record while I'm talking, and then I'm going to go into debt. Boys, do you know what day it is? It is Thursday, the last Asia session of the week. So if you didn't tune in today, you missed out. Today, we did not close above this 4-hour gap. And so I knew when we were up here that this was manipulation. And so when we ran down, created this IFEG, we hopped in. And we just hit our full TP, which is 4-hour immediate rebalance. It's the same level we were actually aiming for yesterday during stream. And today we ended up securing on our account $492. Another banger day. And again, I do this every single day live on stream. We got 122 people watching today. 600 profit closed for Greg. Good stuff, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't miss out on the streams. All right, so who wants a breakdown in terms of why we took the trade? For everybody that doesn't understand how fair value gaps work, again, you guys can go to the YouTube channel. I have a ton of videos out on fair value gaps. It's one of the most crucial concepts inside of trading in general. Trades by Markey on YouTube. You scroll down and you find the video that is titled, actually you can find it on the homepage, The Ultimate Guide to Fair Value Gaps. And pretty much, guys, for value gaps is if it closes inside of it, if it stays inside of it, you should expect the market to go in the same direction of the fair value gap that it closed inside of. If it closes above it, so if the candle body closes above it, then you expect it to keep going higher. Okay, boys? So I want you guys to use code MARK whenever you guys are copying your legacy funded accounts. Legacy has one of the best platforms out there in terms of futures. It's DX Trade. It's the cleanest platform ever, and we have the highest profit splits. We have the highest payout caps. You guys can request up to $12,000. And I'm trading live with you guys. I'm helping you guys obviously pass your accounts. So tune in to my streams every day, boys. Do I have to make 250 in a single trade, or is it overall day? It's overall, Luis. So it's overall at the end of the day. If you're up $250 at least, you get your winning day. Alrighty, boys. Any other questions? That was a pretty good setup. I'm going to see if we end up respecting it, because now that we hit the 4-hour immediate rebalance, we might start to turn around here. So I'm just going to watch it. I'm going to see if we do end up turning around and actually heading for longs. Otherwise, we're done. That was a good trade. We had a good target to aim for, and we're done. We're out of the trade. What's an IFEG? An IFEG is when a fair value gap gets disrespected. So you see right here, we had an FVG. This was a bullish gap that formed on the way up. This one became an IFEG. Pretty much it was bullish, but then when it closes below it, it becomes bearish. So that's what an IFEG is. 852W, that's a huge W. Let's go, boys. Are we looking for another trade? No, I'm not looking for another trade. I'm done for the day. Like I said, I'm waiting for this 4-hour candle to close. We got already what we were looking for. Now, I'm not sure if we're going to run down from it or if we're going to run up. I'm not sure. So my best bet is to wait until like London session pretty much. Alrighty, chat. Thank you guys for tuning in. Go copy a legacy funded account at legacyfundedfutures.com, and I'll catch you guys in the next stream. Peace out. Actually, next week, because we're not doing any more sessions this week. There's no Asia tomorrow. So catch you guys on Monday. Peace.